Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to look how we can use lookup error and how we can handle the lookup error in Python. So a lookup error in Python is a base class for exceptions that occur when a key or index used to access a mapping, for example dictionaries, or a sequence like list or tuple is invalid. It indicates that the requested item cannot be found within the specified collection. It's like trying to find a word in a dictionary that does not exist. It's not there, so you have to encounter a lookup error or you will encounter a lookup error. For example, if you attempt to access a key in a dictionary that does not exist, in that case, Python will raise a key error. Similarly, trying to access an index in a list that is out of range raises an index error. These are specific subclasses of lookup error. So let's try to create a dictionary for this example where we can understand what is lookup error and how we can handle this lookup error. So we'll create a dictionary and then we'll try to access a key that does not exist in that dictionary. Okay, and let's see what will happen. So let's say that I have created a dictionary mydict equal to, and then I'm going to put a couple of items, apple, and I'm going to put 200 rupees. Okay, then I'm gonna put banana and I'm gonna put 100 rupees. Okay, now I'm going to print my dictionary or my dict. Let's print it out. So you have two items over here, apple and banana. What if I simply try to access the item within my dict which is orange? Then what will happen? We will obviously get an error, right? Because orange does not exist in my dict. So if I press shift enter, I get the error which is key error. And now if I take this line and I put it over here, then I'm gonna put everything into my try block. Okay, and now I'm going to put a except block over here saying that I am expecting a lookup error. So I'm going to put lookup error as E, and then I'm going to print saying that hey user, lookup error occurred, and then I'm going to put this E in the bracket. So if I run this, you can see that now we have this message saying that hey user, lookup error occurred because of this orange. Okay, so in this code, Python attempts to access the key orange in the mydict dictionary. Since orange is not a key in the dictionary, a key error subclass of lookup error is raised. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating the specific lookup error that occurred. This approach allows the user to handle unexpected key or index accesses and respond appropriately, and it also enhances the reliability and the user experience. Happy learning and see you in the next video.